Alaska 353, you're 7 miles from Agony, turn right heading 140. Maintain 6,000 until established localized cleared, ILS 16 right approach. Maintain your current speed.
Okay, current speed 140 to join, 6,000 until established, cleared out, right approach.
Delta 198 Heavy, you're 4 miles from Kenmore, cleared ILS 16 left approach. Maintain your current speed. 73, turn right heading 070, maintain 5,000.
Heading 070 down to 5,000.
Plus Alaska 41, 6,190 knots assigned.
Alaska 41, Seattle final, so maintain 5,000.
5,000, Alaska 41. And RVR for 16 right, Alaska 41.
From the 16 right, RVR more than 6,000.
Thanks.
CSAC here for information, Alpha is current visibility 1/4 and indefinite ceiling 200, wind 180 at 7, altimeter 3004. Alaska 72, you're 8 miles from Agony, turn right heading 140, maintain 5,000 until established and localized state ILS 16 right approach.
Alaska 72 heading 140, 5,000 until established, cleared ILS 16 right.
Horizon is 2391, maintain, actually contact Seattle Tower, good day.